another beautiful day, guys.
Cloudy day.
Cloudy day. It's getting colder the days. The autumn is here. You can really feel like we're here for more than a week now. And when we came it was like 35 or something, and now it's like 20, 15. So we can really feel it. The change in the nature, the colors, everything. We decided to go for a nice hike today to see waterfalls and just do something more active. We're spending a lot of time in the house because we just have this comfort right now that we can stay there, and we have internet and kitchen, and we just chill and relax a lot. But
it's nice.
It's really
to
nice.
have that rest.
Yeah.
We really needed it. But also it's nice to be able to get out, and the park here is so close. Like, we've been walking for 30 minutes and we're already at this new spot.
Wow.
So we're gonna go find this awesome waterfall, do some yoga, meditation, and enjoy the nature for a bit. It's gonna be good. And it's not too hot. It's a really nice day to walk
it's so
outside.
nice to walk. Wow, guys, we are in such a beautiful valley. Wow, look at these rocks, and and the nature.
On the other side, it's so crazy.
And let's continue. It's about 1.5, maybe a little bit more, because we're walking slow to reach the waterfalls, but we're really enjoying, and it's so beautiful and so calm, and just being in the nature, being home. Right, Logan?
Right. So nice. This was needed.
So needed. Heals everything. If you have any disease or you feel not good, just go ground yourself, and you will feel it.
This.
Wow.
Wow. And these cliffs are so crazy.
You're so little comparing to these beautiful rocks.
And look, there's a cave.
Oh,
there's
wow.
something in there.
Yeah.
Wow, I want to go see it.
There is the cave.
How far do you think it goes in?
No, you can check.
Oh, it goes to the other side.
Really? All the way?
Yeah, you can see a light at the other side. Take a look.
Let's check. Wow.
I know, it's so cool. Oh, it even goes further.
Wow.
Oh my
Ewan is somewhere in the cave.
I'm coming out.
Hola.
Hola.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Can be anywhere. We're getting closer. Can hear the water down.
Oh yeah, look.
Wow.
Kind of see it.
Wow, wow, wow. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
what
yeah.
a walk it's been. Oh my.
What a walk we did.
We
8
did
kilometers.
Yeah.
Now, non-stop. We took just like
One rest.
yeah, one rest and very, very little. It was like 2 minutes and then let's
Yeah.
go. Yeah, but it's okay.
It's
We feel good.
Yeah.
We feel hot in the body, in the muscles, but we
Mhm.
keep going until we reach our destination. Maybe take a nice swim.
Yeah. Eat
To-
some lunch. Take a dip.
Yeah,
Play
take
some
a dip
music. Meditate. Do
to
whatever.
relax. My brain is like fried a little bit from this walk, and we're also filming and taking pictures and
Yeah. Going
Wow.
through caves.
going in the caves and just, having fun.
Yeah. Right. It's all about having fun.
Yeah,
Half of the journey is the fucking getting there.
yeah.
Right? My God, it's so fucking beautiful.
Wow. Wow. Let's go down. We did it, guys. Climbed on this beautiful cliff. We walked over there on the little stones, and wow, it's so beautiful here. Trying to go down. Just a moment. Whoop. Yeah, look. Ewan! You made it! Wow.
Just careful, it's very slippery.
Oh, it's like a beach there. We found this beautiful crystal on the way here, and now we're trying to clean in the river. Wow. Yeah, it's a magical valley here with so many beautiful stones and this powerful waterfall. So nice to be here. So nice that we made it. Really, really, really grateful for it. Yeah. What did you find?
Look at that one.
Wow, so shiny.
Right? They're crazy. So shiny. And then this one too. Got like this like silver bits
Wow.
in there. So crazy.
Wow.
Right? And that's just like sitting here.
Yeah, just
We haven't
here.
even started looking.
Yeah. And it's time to go back home.
Time to go back, make some dinner.
Yeah. It was
chill.
so beautiful to stay here. We found so many beautiful stones and connected with the river and waterfall. And
it was so nice.
We didn't take a dip.
We put our feet in.
We put our feet in it, but we didn't take a full dip. It got a little bit too cold, and yeah, it's getting dark. It's like 6 o'clock at the moment, and we still have 1.5, 2 hours to walk back. So yeah, we're just heading back home and taking this beautiful energy from this waterfall with us home and sending to you guys too. Yeah. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is extremely beautiful morning. The sun is just like, wow, shining so bright and warming everything up. It's getting cold now, so it's really nice to feel this boost from the sun since the morning and bringing the light. Yeah, so nice. Today I am going to Madrid alone by myself because I have a problem with my tooth. I started to get like very intense pain a couple days ago, and we have to leave in a couple days back to Portugal, and I cannot go like that. So my dear friend, she found a dentist that I can go today and check if everything is okay and what can we do, and yeah, we will see. But yeah, I'm a little nervous because I have to go all the way from this village that we live, and I have to take one bus, metro, and then another bus, and it's super huge city. I never been in that size city in my life, and yeah, it's a bit terrifying, but also I'm excited to try new experience and challenge myself, and yeah, it's gonna be great. But yeah, there is a little bit like inside, like, oh, what are you doing? Especially when you don't speak a language, and also I don't have internet on my phone, so it's gonna be just like trust, people can help you, you know where you're going. And hopefully I will reach destination, and yeah, I will gonna show you a little bit of my travel to Madrid. I just arrived to Madrid. I'm just waiting for metro. Let's see how it goes. I am in this metro and it's so crazy here. I have to get ticket in this card and I don't understand anything and nothing is working. So I'm gonna try to find someone to help me because yeah, it's so complicated. Look how many machines there are. Also there, like, confused. Wow, guys, that was a crazy trip here to get here. Where I am right now, I was a little bit stressed and I just needed to take nice deep breaths because I'm really sensitive, and it's like millions of people flowing all the time, never stopping and everything is so fast, and I couldn't figure out how to make the ticket for the train, and then I was like, universe, send me something, and then the man came and then he showed me how to do it. So I'm so grateful. Like, people are so nice, and yeah, we're not alone. And that is so nice. And now I'm waiting for Nudie, and we're gonna go to the dentist. That I'm not so excited, but I have to fix it. I need to see what's happening over there. So yeah, you know, I feel like from Home Alone, the movie Home Alone, Kevin in New York, I feel the same. Like, I'm just walking and I'm like, what the fuck is happening around? I don't know anything. Driving to the dentist. I am just after my appointment with the dentist, and I have to stay for at least 1.5 more weeks in Spain because there is some work to do. Like, I need to have just one appointment, and then I have to stay for a week in case something would happen, like more inflammation or more pain. So I have the specialist close to me, and I don't have to worry about it. Yeah, unfortunate, but you have to do what you have to do. And now I'm in walking a little bit in the city, but I'm not in the center, so it's not really much to show you guys. It's very loud, it's very big, the buildings are crazy, the masses of people just like floating all the time. And yeah, I just want to go back to where we stay, in our quiet place. I know I'm not the big city person, I never was. I'm so sensitive and I just like to be so quiet, and this is just makes me wow, like so crazy, so out of my senses. So I need now a lot of grounding and taking care of myself. Even though I was just here for a couple of hours, I feel like so disbalanced in my system. But yeah, I'm still grateful that cities exist and they have specialists, so when we need help we can come here and have it. But I do not prefer to live here or stay here. Yeah, I want to go back to the forest and be there with all the cute animals and trees and the rivers and mountains, and that's who I am. Hello guys, it's another beautiful day. I stopped filming yesterday. I was like so tired from the trip in Madrid, and yeah, just needed to take it easy. Ewan is packing because he have to leave me.
So sad.
Yeah, just for a week until I get better with my tooth, and we're gonna be in the new location in Portugal, which is exciting. So exciting. Yeah. So yeah, that's the mess right now.
Yeah, just packing it all up, making sure it's good to go for tomorrow.
Good to go. Today we're going all to Madrid. We're gonna stay one night there. I'm gonna have my tooth fixed, hopefully, and Ewan is leaving tomorrow, so we're gonna take him to the bus station and say goodbye for a week. And yeah, guys are getting ready over there. Ewan, interview.
Interview.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Are you
excited.
ready? Go
I'm
back to
ready.
Portugal.
Going back to Portugal. I am excited. It's going to be quite a crazy trip tomorrow. Taking the bus, meeting the people, setting up the place. Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be nice.
Yes. The next part of our journey. So excited. It was nice here, but I'm ready to go.
It was really nice here to chill and get our strength back, but we are ready to move on. Ready to move on.
Ready.
Experience in Madrid, trying real churros. Ewan, you have to try.
Okay.
How do you eat it?
You just go for it.
Just like food. Good?
Are they better than the?
Yeah, but it wasn't a high bar to meet. But they're pretty good.
I think they are.
Noodle, let's go.
Let's go.
Warm.
Aren't they supposed to be warm?
Are they not warm?
They're like lukewarm. Emma, churros.
They are better than I feel.
They are better than the frozen ones. For sure. Never buy frozen churros, you will get sick.
Never.
We got so sick from frozen churros. No more. Buy the real ones.
Wanted to see it. It's so cute.
So nice. Exploring Madrid.
Let's go.
In the rain, all together.
And that's the best amazing chef ever.
Yes.
I'm so excited. Okay, how can we do this?
Yeah.
Ladies first. Yeah, no
No, continuing the road.
We continue and we're gonna be back.
We're gonna be back
Promise
together.
here that we're gonna be back.
It's recorded.
It's recorded.
It's a promise.
It's a promise to ourselves.
On our way to the next one, 21. There's the bus. Let's go. Open the door.
How do you open it?
Just open it.
Time to travel again.
Yeah, on the bus.
Yeah. And surprise, I'm going with you.
Yay. Not going on.
Yeah, the things changed and I'm here and we're going together back to Portugal. So see you soon, guys.